Hey YouTube, I'm just using my Samsung Note 8 real quick. Just the way the clouds are and the scenery, I thought it was really quite nice. Sometimes you really just gotta stop, take a second, and enjoy where you're at. And I'm just holding this as steady as I can. But the very tops of these mountains here got a little bit of snow on them. I'm over here at the lows. See? Just got out of the shower. Man, it was an awesome shower. It took a long ass one since I had all day to do it. Anyway, that's it. Took about a minute of your time. And now you can see my ugly face. Ha! So, I'm gonna get shut down. This video will probably be uploaded tomorrow. So, if you see this video, just take it the day before. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please comment, like, rate, subscribe. And you gotta admit, you wanna be here. You'd like to see this. Unless you live here. Then, maybe not. Anyway, see you later. Next one.